make sure to drain the freshwater tank. Freshwater tank drain here is this valve right here. It's already been emptied on this RV because I drain it after every use, but that's where it's at. Always make sure it's drained and left open when you winterize. The next thing to do is always to bypass the water heater. Ours is out here in the very back corner of the RV. The bypass for it is right behind it, and the way to access it in this one is come in through this cabinet, and right here in the back you see these blue line and red line right there, and you got a tie that goes between them. Those valves I just simply need to turn 90 degrees, and that will bypass the water heater so it's ready to be drained. Once the water heater is bypassed, it just simply need to be drained. Right here is the drain plug on the water heater unit. Simple small crescent wrench is all it takes to put it on there and loosen it up and take it out until the water starts draining out of it. Once you do that, just simply take the cap off and just leave it sit there inside the door so it can vent and drain out completely while you winterize the rest of the RV. That's what it looks like when it's draining out. I just simply leave the cap right there along the side of it, close the door up once it's done draining. That way I know where to find the cap and the spring when it's come to be winterized. The next task is to run pink RV antifreeze through all the faucets inside the RV, all of them together. What we do is, ours has a winterization kit already installed. So right down here is our water pump, and you can see it right there. And what we have is this little valve that's attached to the hose right there. It's currently facing at this tube right here. So when we turn the water pump on, we put this in our jug of RV antifreeze, and it will allow us to run pink throughout the entire RV. Our line is in our jug of RV antifreeze right there. We're going to go over to the pump and then turn on a faucet. So a nice pretty pink color comes out. Once we do it with the cold side, we'll then go to the hot side until that. Obviously that went back clear because it's coming out of the hot line. We'll run that till a nice solid pink color comes out of that. We do that for every faucet, hot and cold side, in the RV. So there's a nice pink color coming out of there. That's all there is to it.